We wanted to excel more than we want to sleep because we thought if we go to sleep, we might miss the opportunity to be successful, miss the opportunity to excel. And if you ask them how they do it, they say, I break every big task in small little units. Excel at achieving each one of them.
We must allow for creative failure when it comes to generating ideas. It is inevitable. No one likes failure, particularly business leaders. But unfortunately, all evidence suggests that it is impossible to generate few good ideas without a lot of bad ideas.
Work hard. You have to take some risk for doing and need some luck also, definitely, and be humble to everyone.
I don't know any other way to live. Excellence is my religion, my life.
Please be a lifelong student. Whatever you do, throw yourself into it. Throw your head, heart and hands into it. Please help others rise.
They got Six Sigma, Phuket and without application. They got Six Sigma certification. Now nobody can got in the world Six Sigma certification without application. Dabawala got.
To excel is to live every moment, charged with ferocious energy. Be alive every moment. Live to getting it right. Because when it all sums up, the world will marvel at your unparalleled accomplishment. As it isn't your first love till it hurts. It shouldn't be your work till it excels.
Thank you, Rehan. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you.
Thank you, Arnima.
So, what did the AV say? Very simple. Think the best, do the best, seek perfection in every action. That's excellence. So whenever I travel, whether in India or anywhere else in the world, whether I go to a business school like a Harvard or MIT, I'm always asked about our next guest speaker. How does this guest speaker represents an organization? Everybody asks, how do they do what they do without any technology, without any support? Supremely organized, supremely efficient, thousands of people delivering tens of thousands of things every day, day after day, never making a mistake. These are the people who are the hallmark of excellence. I'll keep the suspense going. I'm not going to tell you what this is. I will not introduce the guests, but I'll let him talk to you. So I'm delighted to invite Dr. Pawan Agarwal to show us how they create the magic of excellence every day. Dr. Pawan Agarwal from Mumbai Dabbawalas.
Thank you, friends. Good evening to you all. Thank you so much for inviting. Friend, before I start, just to introduce that Mumbai Dabbawala. Last week, unfortunately, our Mumbai Dabbawala Association Secretary, Mr. Gangaram Lakshman Talekar, he passed away at the age of 68. He was and he is my guru. मैं सेशन को समर्पित करता हूं, उसके बाद पहला सेशन दे रहा हूं. Please accept my condolence for on behalf of all of us for his soul. Friends, yes, you know what he was talking, Mr. Rahman, how perfection we deliver in Mumbai. Last 125 years, that is of Mumbai Dabbawalas. 125 years. Sir, what we are doing, time is given me 20 minutes, so I will not wait for claps. So, please let me, because I want to give in exact 20 minutes, I'll try to level best. Friends, let me speak before I start what exactly Dabbawalas are doing. Many people believe that Dabbawalas are caterers. They are not catering foods. The food is cooked at home. This man collect tiffin in the morning from your home and deliver before lunch time in your office. After lunch is over, they will back empty tiffin same day in the evening at your home. It means they do simple 2 deliveries. Food is yours, tiffin is yours. but he collect for you. Now question is, why in Mumbai you cannot carry your own tiffin? Sir, mainly one reason. In Mumbai we have long railway routes, 60, 70 kilometers. You have to travel. It means you need 3 to 4 hours to travel from home to workplace. So if you want to reach office 9 o'clock, you will start morning 6 o'clock. If you start morning 6 o'clock, your wife should cook 5 o'clock. Mumbai husband do not allow wife to cook 5 o'clock because husband love that wife. He want my wife should cook 8 o'clock. Let husband to start 6 o'clock. Let wife to cook 8 o'clock. Dabawala will come 9 o'clock. He will collect your tiffin. So your wife will be happy. तो हम लोग आजकल ऐसा बोलते हैं, जो बीवी से करे प्यार, वो डब्बा वाला को कैसा करे इनकार. Like that we say, friends. Now, friends, the question is this: why you want that? I want to deliver tiffin. I want to share this story with you. Sir, very simple. Many people may not understood why. Sir, if you ask about Dabawala's are concerned, friends, we are best in logistics supply chain. Of course, Dabawala's are best. But about pharma, we are all qualified people. I am also highly qualified. Thanks, Mr. Rahman, do not ask me like this. Sir, sometime back, some company invited me. He mailed me, Vice President, Dr. Pawan, we want to invite you, but what are the takeaways from your session? I was from Marathi medium. उस समय मुझे आज समझता है what are the takeaways. उस समय मुझे समझा ही नहीं. I mail, sir, I don't know what you are asking, but I will give away whatever you want to take away, take away. I don't want the takeaways. Then like some invited or some qualified person told, पागल है क्या पवन, these are the takeaways. मैंने एक slide और बढ़ा दी takeaways की. Believe me, friends, but it's a fact. Today's takeaways are passion, commitment, consistency, 100% execution. Sir, in 125 years, it never happened. A single tiffin is not delivered. Impossible. Impossible. Can you imagine this? 100% execution, because we believe execution is important. And friend, this is happening because that too with accuracy. Sir, it never happened. Your tiffin is delivered to somebody else. Impossible. Impossible. Execution with accuracy. And that is because of dedication. I was listening Arunima from backside. दोस्तों, समर्पित भावना है. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ because she talk in हिंदी, तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा जोश आ गया. Sometime I can use Hindi. Will do sometime, please. Can you imagine, friends? They are so completely dedicated. I will show a couple of slides. You will accept, yes, they are dedicated. That too, they do delivery, execution accurately, but time management. Sir, it never happened. Your lunchtime started, Dabawala not came. Impossible. Despite the fact their 100% delivery, it depends on local train. Local train may not run on time. I asked in my research, I had a PhD on Dabawala. I asked Dabawala, how you can work in time despite trains may be late. Banda bolta hai, I am not railway minister. I cannot change train system. I can change my system. Every day he start 20 minutes early. Even trains are late, he is in time. So always he deliver in time. Friend, this all he do because only one. मैं समझता हूँ all over world only one and one aim, that is complete customer satisfaction. Friend, this is possible with very simple thing. How it is simple? They are having some main principle. Mainly two, work is worship, customer is God. दोस्तों, कूट के भरा है. आपको end of the session मानना होगा, हाँ यार, customer is God, work is worship. Despite 100% is human being, they are working, that too with hard work. I'll show some couple of video clips. ये सब करके दोस्तों, they keep human values intact because they are warkari, malkari. I'll show some examples. Friend, if you see about the history of Dabawala, started in 1890. There was a Britishers time. बंदा जोर में बोलता है, हम अंग्रेज जमाने के जेलर तो नहीं है, लेकिन अंग्रेज जमाने के डब्बे वाले जरूर है. Because we is delivering from Britishers time. Sir, in 1890, one Dabawala, one customer. Today we'll see 5,000 Dabawalas and 200,000 tiffin every day they deliver. Every day, 200,000. 5,000 people. It means one man carrying approximately 40 tiffin. Sir, 40 tiffin with food, with basket, weight comes to 65 kg weight. Traveling by 60, 70 kilometers in that crowded local train in which we need both the hands free. This man carrying 65 kg weight. No alternative to hard work. And who are they? If you see the qualification, average 8th grade schooling, despite they are illiterate, they deliver tiffin with coding in English. Can you imagine this? In research, I asked, suppose we are delivering tiffin to Mr. Rahman. I asked Dabawala, can you tell me the address of customer of Abbott? Banda bolta hai, sir, I cannot tell you the address of Abbott, but I can take you to Abbott. I know where it is. Sir, वो क्वालिफिकेशन में इलिटरेट है, बट वर्क में 100% लिटरेट है. हम लोगों का थोड़ा कुछ उल्टा होता है sometime. Can you imagine this, friends? Why, friends? Because he believed before I comes to my work, I must know 100% work. Believe me, friends. See, 5,000 people delivering 200,000 tiffin. It means it takes whole 8 to 9 hours a day. 8 to 9 hours. Sir, 9 घंटे में बंदे को 5 मिनट आराम नहीं है. I will show one slide. Because he believe 9 hours, I am the owner. I must contribute complete 9 hours for my customer, for my association. That's the ownership feeling. That's why you work with dedication. 9 hours, 9 hours. In that also morning 3 hours are work time. Because customers should serve in time. If you see, this happened because of their good structure is there. I will not tell you all these things. I'll just go to Mukadam. What is Mukadam? Group leader, supervisor. They have groups of Dabawala. In one Dabawala group, 9, 10, 20 Dabawala depend. Among 10 Dabawala, 1% will Mukadam. Sir, Mukadam will work 20% extra, but he will not get 1% extra income. Despite he work, because he believe Mukadam is the father of the group. Leader should work more than children. He work more. Can you imagine this? Because of that, all 5,000 people working excellently. This is the Mumbai local train map. How they are working in Mumbai. Sir, I'm talking local train. All our local train, we have more than 132 local stations. I'll show you how Dabawala collect tiffin from one station to another. This is Dabawala. This is Vile Parle. Try to remember word I will use same station name in coding system. Sir, ये बंदा वहाँ से निकलेगा. He will collect 40 tiffin. 40 tiffin he will brought to the nearest station called Vile Parle. Because 40 tiffin of 40 customers scattered all over Mumbai. He cannot deliver all 40 customers. He will drop at Vile Parle. Other people will do sorting. This man will be given second job. He will carry 40 tiffin from Vile Parle to Dadar. Drop at Dadar. Third job. He will carry 40 tiffin from Dadar to Grant Road. Again 40 tiffin from Grant Road to Churchgate. 4 jobs he has performed. Loading, unloading, sorting. Now he will by road, on head, on bicycle, on shoulder. He will carry another 40 tiffin from Churchgate to Nariman Point. Last destination station of sorting people, sorting area. Now he will be given 6 jobs. You will see Express Tower building. He will ask to deliver 40 tiffin in Express Tower building because 40 customers waiting in Express Tower. Before lunchtime, all customer will get the lunch box. After lunch is over, between that, he himself get 20 minutes to take his own lunch. 20 minutes only for lunch. Can you imagine? Now he will start to collect reverse empty tiffin from Express Tower to Nariman Point. Then, when he comes evening 5 o'clock at Vile Parle, he will receive his morning 40 empty tiffin, which he only deliver your homes. 6 o'clock he is free. 5 o'clock is free. Sir, morning 7 o'clock till 5 o'clock, completely busy, mentally, physically. Despite the fact, he will say, I am very happy today because I have done today's job successfully. He will not say, आज बहुत tension था, बहुत pressure था. He will not say like this. Why? My dear friends, everybody have tension. मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे tension है, आपको सुनने का tension है. You have to sit properly. Everybody have tension, but we cannot disclose tension, pressure on our face. That's why we feel. Because of that, Dabawala working really fun excellently. If you see the working system of Dabawala, see what we call error rate. 1 in 16 million transactions. 1 in 16 million. Sir, that one error shown by Forbes. Forbes people told Dabawala, you have one error in 16 million. When Dabawala came to know, they told, hey, how you shown one error? We don't have a single error. Because they believe error is horror. Don't look into mirror, it is danger. दोस्तों गलती को पाप मानते हो. And because of that, these people got Six Sigma. The people do not know the meaning of Six Sigma, they got Six Sigma. Just imagine. How they got? I'll tell you a story in short. In 1999, 4 people from Delhi, they came to Mumbai to do research on Dabawala. They want to travel 4 days. They travel 4 days, prepare a project. After 4 days, they went back to Delhi. After 3 months, they phoned Dabawala. Dabawala, you got Six Sigma. He told, I don't know what is Six Sigma. He told, man, it's a big honor. What to do? He told, it is for you. They told, okay, send. No problem. He told, man, we cannot send. It's an honor. We want to honor you. We are coming to Mumbai. Please come. It's a very big honor. It is for you. Now, Dabawala confused because this man, Delhi people told, it's a very big honor. Six Sigma. Dabawala don't know how much big. But they told very big. Because they told very big, 16 Dabawala went to collect very big Six Sigma honor. Sir, I remember I was a witness when they given on the dais Six Sigma, organizer given Six Sigma certification. President told, what is this? बोलता है Six Sigma. पीछे से डब्बे वाले बोलते हैं, साहब 4 टैक्सी का पैसा बर्बाद हो गया. Least bother about Six Sigma because they are not working for Six Sigma. They are working for customer satisfaction. That's why they got Six Sigma. That's why they got Six Sigma. And that too, without technology. Can you imagine, friend? No technology at all. Let me tell you, friend, nowadays, Dabawala is using mobile. But during working hours, they don't use mobile. Because Dabawala do not allow to speak to customers. Customers are in office. So बंदा बोलता है, यदि device is not useful for customer, I will not use mobile for 9 hours. Can you imagine? See the imagine, friend. Customer, that's it. Paisa? Sir, how much they charge? 600 rupees per month. Per day it comes 20, 22 rupees here. Courier man takes 30, 40 rupees to deliver small envelope. I asked Dabawala, इतना पैसा कम क्यों लेता है? पता है what he answered? Sir, who are my customer? My customer are those who feel it is costly to outside food. If I increase my charges, they will discontinue my services. ये पाप है. That's why I should charge less. Oh my God. Because customer को परवड़ना, because of that, he charge less. मैंने पूछा कितना कमाता है? सर जोर में बोलता है 12,000 rupees. हम लोग 12 लाख भी धीरे से बोलते हैं. ये बंदा 12 लाख जोर से बोलता है. Just imagine. मैंने बोला बस नहीं सर एक्स्ट्रा कमाता हूँ. How? Early morning, late evening, he deliver milk bags. He deliver newspaper, drive auto rickshaw taxi. 5,000 और कमाता हूँ. I asked, can you live happily in Mumbai in 15,000, 17,000? बंदा बोलता है, if you want to live in Mumbai happily, you can live happily in 15,000. If you want to live luxuriously, 15 lakhs may be insufficient. I am happy in 15,000. Can you imagine, friends? Friends, money is important for everybody, no doubt about it. But better than that, work is important. काम तो करो यार. My experience, you will get more if you prove you are best. People will pay you. People will pay you. Sometimes you may not think of money. Example, sir, Dabawala expect 1 month bonus. I'm sorry to say, sir, some customer refused to pay bonus. I asked Dabawala man, this man could not pay bonus. I want to continue. Banda bolta hai, sir, mera Bhagwan hai. How I can stop to eat food to my God? I told my God, your God has not paid bonus. Banda bolta hai, sir, he has not paid 1 month bonus, but he has paid 12 months salary. Dabawala says, if for 1 month I discontinue tiffin, I will lose 12 months salary. Wanted to sacrifice 1 month bonus or 12 months salary. Banda bolta 1 month bonus. Because of that, in 125 years, no strike record in the history of Dabawala. Never went on strike. Proved work is worship, customer is God. Can you imagine, friends? I know differences are there, disputes are there. इनके झगड़े नहीं है. I'm sorry, बता नहीं पाऊंगा, but they are having disputes. Differences. Despite differences, disputes, sir, in 125 years, no single police case, court case. Oh my God. Because they believe we are a family member. Just imagine, friends. What is my purpose to tell you? Only one purpose, friend, work satisfaction. We believe if I'm working, if I'm not satisfied myself, can I satisfy my customers? I can't satisfy my customers. Number two, who know customer satisfied or not? Friend, other people know. You cannot know your customer satisfied or not. I'll tell you about Dabbawalas. How customers are satisfied in case of Dabbawala. In my research, I asked one customer, can you tell me about Dabbawala? How they are working? How they feel? How you feel about them? One customer told, Pawanji, they are excellent. Mala, what excellent? Tiffin is your, food is your, they simply deliver, that's it. Banda bolta hai, sir, they don't simply deliver food. Then customer told me, when I leave 6 o'clock in the morning, sometimes customer forget his mobile at home. Then his wife put mobile in tiffin and she deliver by Dabbawala in office. You will call value-added services given by Dabbawalas, free of charge. I asked another customer, yaar, so great. Bolta, Pawanji, they are so honest. How they can be dishonest? They cannot eat your food. Banda bolta hai, sir, customer told me, forget about food. Customer told, when Abbott give me salary, I cannot carry salary in pocket. Why in crowded local it can be stolen? So Abbott employee, after getting salary, after eating food, he put salary in empty tiffin. And Dabbawala delivers salary, empty tiffin safely in the hands of your wife. Oh my God. Sir, we are afraid to send DD through courier. Customers send cash through tiffin. Some customers send gold, silver. Some customer wives send love letter. I don't know what they send. I'll give an example of love letter. But my message is what? If you give services consistently to the customers, some or the other day, some customer will believe you are God for him. Same thing happened in Dabbawala case. I asked one customer, can you tell me examples of something Dabbawala which is good? He told, Pawanji, couple of months back, customer had dispute with his wife. And you know, dispute of husband-wife. Or हमारा Indian husband, after dispute, टूटेगा लेकिन झुकेगा नहीं. Same thing happened. Angry young man, next day morning told his wife, divorce. Went to office. 9 o'clock, Dabbawala came. Indian wife, dile ke manta nahi. Despite dispute, she want to deliver tiffin. Maybe the last tiffin, but she want to deliver. She delivered to Dabbawala. Dabbawala delivered in office. In lunch time, husband saw the tiffin. Morning, angry young man become the hungry young man. So he opened the tiffin. When he opened the tiffin, on top of the tiffin, written message from wife, oh my beloved husband, I love you Lord. Forget what happened. Eat my food, it is for you. Message given by wife to husband, but delivered by. Sir, अगली story सुनो. खाना खाने के बाद husband को शर्म तो आती है. After eating food, husband brought 2 cinema tickets, put in empty tiffin, written love letter to wife. I love you lot. शाम को मिलेंगे, भूल जाएंगे क्या हुआ. मेरा मैसेज है, दो आत्माओं का मिलन करने वाला. Friend, is it possible? दोस्तों, because my childhood, I was engaged in medical shop in my village, Dhule district. So I know about Abbott Pharma since long. दोस्तों, हम जाने अनजाने में कितने लोगों की जान बचाते हैं, ये तो वही जानता है. But believe me, that customers always pray for you. Because of you, because of your company, I think they save their life. It happens, friend. But it requires you should work consistently throughout the life. Then it will happen, friend. Then it will happen. Friend, how it is possible? It requires attitude approach and requires some disciplines, Inca discipline. Sir, no alcohol, no drinking. Despite the fact, you know, Dabbawalas are malkari. Sir, the man who wears this chain, he never drink, he never smoke. 99% malkari hai. वैसे भी खाते पीते नहीं. Sir, cap is compulsory. 40 rupees cap. If you don't wear, 50 rupees fine. Compulsory rule hai. I card is compulsory. No leave without prior notice. Sir, if any Dabbawala remain absent for 1 day, sir, 1,000 rupees fine for 1 day. Can you imagine? Just imagine. Why? Friends, it's my rule. He says it is not company rule, it is my rule. I am one of the important part in this association. So I'll show you how they carry 65 kg. Awaaz dena.
The Mumbai Dabbawalas are a close-knit group of 5,000 people of stamina, values and ethics. They are engaged in the business of collecting tiffin boxes filled with homemade food from different houses, and distributing them at the workplaces of the earning members of these families.
Sir, this man
in the
is
free noon
75
and
years
returning
old.
empty boxes to the respective houses in the afternoon. They move 200,000 such lunches to 200,000 people working in different organizations.
Can you imagine how they are working? Sir, no alternate. I told you no alternate to hard work. Of course, I told you local train is important, but other than local train, bicycle also important. Friend, I'll show you how they do coding. Please try to understand very fast. VLP stand for Ville Parle, residential area of customer. E stand for Dabawala, who will go to Ville Parle. And this tiffin will travel to 3 numbers stand for Nariman Point. E number का बंदा विले पार्ले जाता है विले पार्ले से टिफिन will travel to Nariman Point. During this traveling, tiffin will mix at least 6 times a different group of people, but will reach Nariman Point. Nariman Point पहुंचने के बाद इसको उठाएगा कौन? 9 नंबर का डब्बे वाला. He will pick, he will deliver. EX stand for Express Tower on 12th floor, because this office is on 12th floor. He will deliver on floor. Without name address, your tiffin comes to your floor. Why not office table? Because of security, you are not allowed to come to office table. So it deliver on floor without name address. I know you must be looking Mr. D'Souza. Sir, D'Souza is a customer. And who has done this name? Mr. Customer D'Souza himself. Because Mr. D'Souza could not recognize his own tiffin, he writes name. Sir, give me volume. I'll give coding.
Every
See,
day with practically no
simple
makeup at all.
matchstick become the brush. Simple piece of paper become the brush.
Simple and very effective.
Can you imagine?
This lunchbox,
Resources
which contains the meals
may or may not be
Fatih has
available.
cooked for her husband,
They
has
use
been coded
simple resources
DLP 23,
which are cheaper,
empty
economically
10 on the
cheaper,
top,
which are
and
available.
Q3 is
Can you imagine,
scribbled
friends?
below.
That's very important. Sir, what this man is doing, if your coding is not proper because you clean tiffin, sometimes it is not visible. Any Dabawala comes to know coding is not proper, he will remove color from pocket and he will overwrite. He will not say, it is not my job. He will do the job. क्यों? लक्ष्य एक ही है, करना है तो करना है. कोई excuse नहीं, कोई excuse नहीं. Friends, I'll show 3 slides together because of time problem. Just continue to see.
That 200,000 of them are having it on all working days on time, thanks to the Mumbai Dabawalas. The shelf life of these lunches are just 4 to 5 hours. Therefore, watch the spontaneous sorting. Everyone is picking up his tiffins as per his delivery areas. Tiffins for areas with more density are transported on carts collectively. Some tiffins are on bicycles and some are personally taken by hand. From here, the tiffins move. One tiffin box shifts hands in transit at least 6 times before it reaches its consumer in his office. The same is the case in its return journey as an empty
Sir,
tiffin.
so excellently they work, because they work excellently, documented by A to Z TV. Then many award they got, even they got ISO certificate without application. It's my honor, I done PhD. Prince Charles came to Mumbai to visit Dabawala in 2003. But when Prince Charles supposed to come, before 6 months, Mr. Consulate in India, Jitendra Jain, phoned to Dabawala, Prince Charles want to visit you. Dabawala told, I don't know who is Prince Charles. He told he's the king of London. He told, okay, we will allow. Dabawala allowed him. But with 2 conditions. One condition, Prince Charles should come as per our time. We'll give only 20 minutes, like Abbott. Only 20 minutes they are given. Number 2, we will not come to you. Prince Charles should come to us. Consulate told, how you say like this? How you can talk like this? Mr. Dabawala told, man, he's the king of London. वो राजा है, लेकिन 2 लाख कस्टमर महाराजा है. उनको डिस्टर्ब करके, we don't want to meet. That's why 20 minutes only. That's why he should come to us. Friend, Richard Branson came. He want photo with Dabawala. Because he want photo, he brought his own tiffin. I have given my own cap. Can you imagine this? People are so passionate because you are working excellently. Many places when we feel proud that all our, no doubt, maybe social work, maybe of course, HIV AIDS, many things we do. It's our privilege, all these qualities of Dabawalas. Friend, it's my honor. I am working for Dabawala Education Center. Last 9 years, I am providing free education to Dabawala children and Dabawala themselves also. It's my privilege. Sir, मैंने local train बनाई है. because I want to teach computer, they should feel they are learning in local train. I made wooden local train for computer lab. So they feel proud, okay, we are learning in local train. Even classroom of local train. Thank you so much for inviting me on this dais. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you, Deputy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. रेमान साहब
जी,
सबसे पहले तो उस नाम को सलाम, रहमान बोले तो रहमान ही है। मैं बहुत खुश था कि आज रहमान साहब मंच पर होंगे, लेकिन सर एक बात से मैं नाराज हूँ।
किस बात की शिकायत है आपको?
एक शिकायत ये है, बोल दूँ?
बोलिए बोलिए, फरमाइए।
सॉरी अरुणिमा मैम, सर उन बहुत अच्छा बोली अरुणिमा मैम, लेकिन आपने सर उनके लिए गाना गवाया।
बात तो आपकी सही है।
तो सर हमारे लिए भी गाना होना चाहिए।
आपकी बात बिल्कुल सही है। अब
और वो आवाज सौम्य साहब की कुछ आवाज में सुन रहा था, नाम सौम्य सौम्य ऐसा कुछ नाम था।
शौमिन,
बहुत ही अच्छा आवाज था।
शौमिन साहब को देखिए। शौमिन, वी कांट डिसअपॉइंट डॉक्टर अग्रवाल, कैन वी? मतलब डिब्बा नहीं मिलेगा अगली दफा।
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली क्या हम तो आ ही रहे थे, लेकिन मेरे को लगा अब सोचोगे जब शोमैन बार बार स्टेज पर आ रहा है।
अरे इरशाद इरशाद गाइए साहब।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अभी जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अभी जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
सर ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट।
थैंक यू।
रेहान साहब, रेहान साहब, हमारे सौमेन साहब ने छोटा सा गाना हमारे लिए गाया, तो सर मैं भी छोटा सा डिब्बा आपको देना चाहता हूँ।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू। इट्स माय प्लेजर सर, इट्स माय प्लेजर, इट्स माय प्लेजर।
But with one more thing, I want to honor with cap also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's my pleasure. It's my
Great, sir,
pleasure.
great. Thank you so much. Great, great. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
रेहान साहब,
Thank you.
आपको भी, if you accept it.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल।
दोस्तों, मैंने जानबूझ के रहमान बोला, I know रेहान, but पता नहीं वो नाम फेमस है। रेहान साहब, please.
शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for welcoming with this such a great.
Thank you.
Your,
Thank you.
sir, small tiffin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank you.
Agarwal.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Agarwal. This is truly
you,
incredible.
Thank you.
I think one thing is exceptionally clear. The Dabbawalas are truly, truly excellence at work. There is no perhaps other sense of excellence except what you just saw. Zero error rate. So please give a big round of applause to Dr. Agarwal.